Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to weld up the wastegate. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with this twin turbo Forester. That being said, let's get into it. Hi guys, last episode we tacked up this wastegate dump. It goes back into the up pipe. I think I confused a few people that hadn't seen this before. And depending on the angle, it looked like this just went back into the other pipe there. But yeah, it goes into that pipe and then it comes up to the GT35 that's sitting up there. So yeah, compound turbo, makes lots of boost. We need to get this off and start welding it. Haven't really been out here this week. It is Wednesday afternoon. Homeschooling has really drained me with the two kids. So hopefully I can get some welding done tonight and today and tonight. And it's been raining, miserable weather. Alright, so I've got to be pretty careful with this, being pretty thin gauged, and all the welds are pretty damn close. Also, I need new gloves. We are currently in lockdown, so we get out on Friday. I'll go pick up some then. But hopefully we can get this done. Alrighty guys, done a little bit of welding. So what I've been doing is probably about an inch worth of a stitch, moving two joints down so the heat doesn't get to it and warp too much. Then go up to the other end, do them, and just try to go opposites just to keep the heat away from everything so it doesn't warp too much. And make sure this doesn't warp as well. So yeah, slowly getting there. So I just did these ones. Oh. Whew, slowly get there, boys. Some of it looks alright, some of it doesn't look that pretty, but it's going to be all wrapped up, so not too concerned. Alright guys, just been summoned to go back inside. Need to let this cool down so I can touch it and rearrange it to where I need to. Also touch the tungsten, so it's contaminated, so I need to clean that. So letting that cool down will be alright. So yeah, I'll be out here late tonight to finish this off. And we've got to weld it onto the up pipe here. So that'll be fun. Back soon. Alright guys, I'm back. It's about 7:30 or so. Really just got the insides to weld up. That one's all done. Yeah. That works. Cool. Alright, time to get back to welding. We might lose the power, so it's gonna probably really freak me out if it does. We've had the power flicker quite a few times already tonight. Pretty bad winds, and as you can hear, lots of rain as well. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it doesn't, and we get this done. Hi guys, got it on, got it lined up. It did feel like it shrank a bit, which was expected. Put the wastegate off, that one there. So I've got a bit of filling to do. So we'll get it up onto the bench and start welding it. Alright guys, so I've kind of tacked it in place. So now we can get wastegate off and this pipe off. and we should be able to weld it up. Fingers crossed. Alright, got it off. Let's weld it up. That's my first little bit. Doesn't look too bad. Just gonna put some music on and keep going with it. Alright boys, all welded in. Not very pretty, but it's functional. So I'm gonna let this cool down and we'll get it in. Or even, yeah. Next episode guys. Sorry to snake you like that. This will be all back in next episode and the car running. So be sure to tune in for that. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.